Jamendo.com.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another installation of Tacoma Tactical, and tonight, we're going to be installing some ditch light hood brackets. I had originally had a set installed prior. They were the wrong hood brackets. I had made a modification to them to make them work and fit for a trip that we had done. Yesterday I had placed an order for a new set that was the right kind for a 3rd gen Tacoma, and right now I'm just going to kind of explain to you how to install them. It's pretty simple. Anybody can do it. Probably one of the easier modifications you can make to your trucks. So let's get into this. You'll see on the bottom of the hood, you've got these 2 bolts, and that's basically it. Back those bolts out. The hood will detach from the hinge. You'll go ahead and you'll put your ditch light bracket in place, and then you'll go ahead and you'll reattach these bolts. The issue is, as soon as you loosen up both of these bolts, your hood is going to want to shift on the hinge. I recommend, like what I did, is make a mark on the hinge and a mark on the hood, a secondary mark on the hinge and a secondary mark on the hood. And that way, once you've got your bracket and your bolts in place, you can go ahead and line your hood back up, and everything should fit right back into place. Pretty simple. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick tutorial. Stay tuned for another episode of Tacoma Tactical.